corner 3. Lemetti lights it.
Sabi ni Felix, keep on talking about me. Hindi na natin na pinupunan siya nung nag-free throw siya. And now
Lemetti on the move. Bounces it out. Johnson trying to show us his range.
Yes, sir.
May power, may dribble, may tres. Ang all-around ang datingan so far. Minuto na po lumilipas sa second game ng ating PBA Sabado dito sa Montalban. Elbow jumper. Damian Johnson is good.
Interesting how, yun na nga, he's only 5'7". Ang baba pa ng kanya.
Gives it back over to Cao. Nakawala kay Villegas. And one para kay Ramon.
Magandang finish magmula dito kay Ramon Cao. Christian Panayta.
Hindi na ako magugulat doon eh. Alam mo naman si Bo, all around as Mitchell. Hits again. Player. Naging team captain pa ng Rainier Shine yan. Nagko-commentator na yan. Anton to beat. Shackelford spins the pass back to Leung.
Yun. Shackelford, hinahabol siya. Alam niya baka masupalpal siya. Nag-spin. Ganda naman ang pag-trail dito.
Lima ang abante ng Macau. Mamuya clipped. And one. Para kay Gian.
Yan mo, contrast yung tira sinasabi natin mababa. Itong si Chong. Kinulang lang sa dulo.
Yung for three. Punches it through.
He's a dead shot. Dapat marka ng Rainier Shine yan. Every time he's gonna launch from the 3 or the 4, dapat challenge nila itong si Jenny Liu.
Mamu again.
Pointers. At eto,
No, nice passing.
4-point shot.
Kaya naman pinaalis ni Bo. Sinogum doon. He got it to Chongson. Who got it over to Roque? Kasi lalong mataas yung pasa kung kay Coach Chucho. As Tony Mitchell throws it down with authority.
Tony Mitchell doing Tony Mitchell things. Open,
Malcolm with the rebound. Rainier Shine is running. Kalen on the catch. Touchdown! Rainier Shine.
Alam mo, maganda dito. Nagre-respond siya. Hindi siya nasisindak dito sa mga sigaw ng kanyang head coach.
Gitna ni Jolly kanina, a product of USD.
Yes.
Here comes Nocum on the push. Taking on all defenders. Adrian Nocum goes wall to wall.
Turning this around. Diba? Again, able to make a defensive stop. Getting a bucket on the other side. Adrian Nocum again.
Nataliso Damien. Rushing, tatlong kalaban. Atapang atao. And one.
Laking bagay nun.
Tatlong kalaban, inatake pa rin yan, no?
May habang na malaki sa kanya yung manay time, pero using his offhand, kalimuete to di ba?
Now kasama si Cao, nandiyan din si Lung and Shackelford who just hit another three.
Napaka-efficient, napaka-high percentage itong si Phoenix Shackelford, Magu.
That's his first basket of the second half, though. Talking about David to Johnson from deep. Jalen punches it through.
Bailout three-pointer, Magu. Gumamit na ng 23
Rainier Shine. Shackelford gets it over to Mitchell for the jam.
Idikit pa rin. Etong Macau, 2 possessions ang kalamangan lang naman ng Rainier Shine.
Hard show. Now double team. Kalen. Iniwan kay Nocum. Gets the basket. Mikasaka.
Showing a lot of character. Rainier Shine. Dikdikan dito. Magu, pero they know what to do. Ganda ng pagka-crocus ng this Rainier Shine.
Pinukol ka agad sa kabilang dulo.
Wow!
Larito na nakaw. Para sa Bulls.
Parang quarterback at nagsasayaw na naman. Etong si Jalen